Hey buddy! If you want these quirky info videos to pop up in your eyes like a circus show, then subscribe to our channel and give that bell icon a solid whack.
If any woman participates in sex, there are medicines to prevent pregnancy. Similarly, if a lady offers a man or a man offers a lady for sex, are there any pills to take in advance to prevent HIV? If yes, please tell.
In such matters, PrEP, pre-exposure prophylaxis, treatment helps. At least 2 hours or 24 hours before participating in sex, take 2 tenofovir, emtricitabine pills together. After sex, take 1 pill every 24 hours for 2 days. If participated only once, this 3-day treatment is enough. If participated consecutively for 2 to 3 days, take pills for 2 more days from the last day or continue for 28 days. Even if one of them has HIV, the disease won't transmit. But the method you mentioned is not on-demand PrEP. It is approved only for men who have sex with men, MSM, and not yet officially available in India. In India, as per NACO guidelines, only daily PrEP is recommended 1 tenofovir plus emtricitabine tablet, Truvada or generic, daily, starting 7 days before and continuing as long as risk exists. On-demand PrEP, 211, is not approved for heterosexual couples and is not safe. Like contraception, PrEP exists for HIV prevention but only in daily mode. In India, it's free at arts centers for high-risk groups and 1,500 to 2,000 rupees per month in private. PEP, post-exposure prophylaxis, within 72 hours after sex 28-day course, free in government. As precautions and tips, condom plus PrEP together greater than 99% safe. HIV negative test mandatory before starting PrEP every 3 months. HIV, creatinine, hepatitis B test don't take with alcohol. Drugs, report side effects, nausea, headache. To doctor, PrEP is not contraception. Use IPIL or Copati for pregnancy prevention. Condom mandatory if partner's HIV status unknown. Many discordant couples, one positive, one negative, have children with PrEP plus condom and stay healthy, so don't fear. With correct information and contact Arts Center.